Make a couple more. How bad is it? Is it getting dull? Yeah, okay. All right. Yeah. Hey, Jim, real quick.
That sucks ass.
Yeah. All right, Jim. Hi.
Hey.
How's it going? Want to tell us a little bit about the saws, my friend?
It's a hot, sunny, windy day out here. And I got to play with saws. It was great. We did four different saws, did a bunch of different cuts with them. As you can see, this is pretty realistic. We got pallets with OSB down and then 2 layers of shingles on top, so it's fairly realistic of what we'll hit. Our first one whereas our conventional chain that we run on all apparatus, we've all been around them. They work great when they're sharp. As you can see in the videos, my plunge cuts went down real fast, my cuts went smooth. The bad thing about them, the more we use them with this against the nails and the asphalt and stuff, it eats them up pretty quick. Our second one was the RDR chain. Making the plunge cuts was tough. It didn't like it, but once you got through making the cuts, it wasn't as bad. It wasn't near as fast as our regular chain. So, and with all of them, you can feel it once you get but I wasn't for that. We're playing. So the RDR train wasn't too bad. This new, what's the name of it?
That's Sabertooth.
The new Sabertooth, I liked it. We beat it up a little bit before we got into the roof. Plunge cut great. It cut good. We had to make a couple of tweaks to the saw. We weren't getting ample amount of oil. You'll probably be able to see that in the videos. It was smoking pretty good, so we stopped for a minute, tweaked the saw, and then got back into our cuts. And it did well. It really did. And then the last one we did was a bullet chain. I only made 2 cuts with it, and I worked twice as hard making those 2 little cuts as I did with the other dozen cuts. Yeah, it's just not fun for what we do when you got to be fast.
So hey Jim, so if you had to choose out of these 4, what would you choose today?
Today it's a toss-up. As far as the speed and efficiency, it's a toss-up between the 2. But I do like the longevity so far of the Sabertooth. You know, time will tell when everybody gets a chance to play with it and beat it up and then use it some more and see how long they last before things start chipping off and getting dull. So this is just the first step of seeing how it does. But so far I like it.
Cool. Awesome, thanks.